Hi dolls. So the look that I have for you today, or planned for you today, is my everyday spring summer everyday makeup look. Like when I'm coming out of the house and I wanted the makeup, this is the look, or the look that I'm going to do is the look that I do when I'm going on the road. Like hurry to get out of the house, that 5 minute makeup look. Yeah, so this will be that look. I already did my brows. I should be doing a video on that pretty soon. The whole next week too, though, because I have a lot of videos to edit. But yeah, I did my brows already. Not much has changed with my technique or my routine. Probably the products have changed, but it's the same. But anyways, let's get into the video. I might talk one and few times, but most of the time I'll be jamming to some music. So yeah, I'm going to try and show you guys all the products as I use them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. That's a bit so weird. There you go. Continue watching the video.
Okay, so first product that I'm going to be using is my Milk of Magnesia, and I'm going to use this to prime my face because I have a oily skin, especially in the summertime. You don't want that grease ball looking face, so prime your face, dolls. Okay, so the foundations that I'm going to be using, you can see them, is Jordana and Mercier foundation. So I'm just going to apply this all, mix it and apply it all over my face.
I'm reaching out for you tonight,
Okay, so the next product that I'll be using is my Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer in Deep, and I love this. I need to talk about this in a favorites video coming up pretty soon. So apply that under my eyes.
Paralyzed under your spell, you have it all.
Yeah, so that's why I have to be doing a voiceover now. But anyways, I make sure to blend out this concealer properly, and then you'll see I'll be setting it with a loose powder to do the a little baking method.
Just take my hand, let's run away, away. 'Cause you are all I need to say. I'll be okay. I love you more than words can tell. You're beautiful. Paralyzed under your spell. You have it all.
Okay, so this is my little trick for my summer glowy skin. This is a elf gift box. I'll list the card name down below in the description box, but I take the highlight from this and I sweep away the baking powder that I set earlier with the highlighting powder, so this gives me a glow from within kind of look. You'll see this at the end of the video.
Don't ever let me go. Don't ever let me go.
So for the eyes, it's quite simple. I just put something in the crease, a little shimmer to the eyes, a little glow in the corner. But that's a very simple look that I do for the summer, so just watch the rest of the video and enjoy.
I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please save her for me.
Here I'm bringing a little bit more color to my under eyes because I saw it was a little bit more muted. Now I'm putting a little bit more yellow in my skin because that is my undertone.
I'm dreaming of you all the time. It shows. You got me fighting for my breath. You're beautiful.
Here I'm lining my eyes, and I want you dolls to comment down below if you want to see how I line my eyes or different ways of lining your eyes. Just comment down below.
Just take my hand, let's run away, away. 'Cause you are all I need to say. I'll be okay.
So I set my face with my elf mitten set, and then while it dries I add in mascara. Here I am applying yes more highlights, shimmering highlight powder, and this is how I achieve my summer glowy skin. Packing it on, man. And here I'm showing you the lip color of choice. I don't think I showed you the other color, but it is the Milani lip cream. I'm more lip cream in covert. If I'm not correct, I'll list it down below. And I also use the LA Girl lip paint. I'll list that shade down below also, in the center, to create a nude ombre lip.
So this is my summer everyday makeup. Y'all see the glow? I have to do it for the summer, even though I do it all year round, because I love a glowy skin, even though I have an oily skin. But look at that, man. You can't tell me you're not in love. Woo. Yes, so this is my summer makeup. And comment down below if you like my hair. I tried a wash and go yesterday, so this is the second day of it. It's kind of fuzzy, but still seeing a little curls and stuff. So comment down below if you like this, and if you like the look, thumbs up the video and let me know. And remember to wear the best you for the world to see. Love you, my dolls. Moya Lovely signing out.